In this tutorial, I'll show you how to trade Binance Futures on TradingView. By the end, you'll connect your Binance account to TradingView, open a USDSM perpetual futures chart, and place orders directly from the TradingView interface with your positions, margin, and order history visible in the panel. First, open the Trading panel. From the TradingView chart page, move down to the bottom of the screen and click the Trading Panel tab. If it's collapsed, click to expand it so you can see the available brokers. Next, select the broker. In the panel, click on Binance. If you don't see it listed right away, click See All Brokers, then choose Binance from the list. You should now see an option to connect. Now authorize the connection. Click Connect, and when the pop-up window opens, log into your Binance account. Follow the prompts and authorize TradingView to access your account so it can route your orders. This authorization happens on Binance's secure page. Once approved, you'll be returned to TradingView and the Binance connection status will show as active. At this point, select the futures market. Go to the symbol search at the top left of the chart and type a USDS-M perpetual contract, for example, BTCUSDT.P. Select the result that shows as a perpetual or has the .P suffix. This ensures you're viewing Binance USDS-M perpetual futures data on the chart before placing any trade. Now execute trades from the order panel. With the Binance connection active and the futures chart open, find the order panel. Here you can choose the order type: market, limit, or stop limit. For a market order, select market. Enter your quantity and choose buy to go long or sell to go short. A market order fills immediately at the current market price. For a limit order, switch to limit. Set your limit price and quantity, then choose buy or sell. The order will rest until the market reaches your price. For a stop limit order, choose stop limit. Set the stop price that triggers the order, then set the limit price and quantity. This is useful for entries or exits that activate only after a certain price level is reached. Before submitting, double-check the symbol shows the USDSM perpetual contract and that your quantity is correct. When you're ready, click the confirmation to send the order. Once that's done, your Binance Futures position, margin details, and order history will display in the trading panel at the bottom. Open the Positions tab to see entry price, size, your unrealized P&L, and margin usage. Check orders to review any working limit or stop limit orders. Use the History tab to review filled orders and past activity. If you place another order, you'll see it appear here in real time. If you need to close a position, use the controls in the Positions tab to close at market, or place a limit or stop limit order from the order panel to manage your exit directly from the chart. Any changes you make will instantly reflect in the panel so you can monitor your exposure and available margin as you trade. From here, you can continue trading Binance USDS-M perpetual contracts on TradingView the same way. Make sure you're on the correct P symbol. Choose the appropriate order type in the order panel, review the details, and submit. Your positions, margin, and order history will always be visible in the trading panel for quick verification. That's it. You've connected Binance to TradingView, selected a USDSM perpetual market, and placed futures orders with your live position, margin, and order history displaying correctly. Your setup is complete and ready for trading. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.